Ọlọ́run ṣọ́ báwo ni now? Gba ló máa show sọ́dọ̀ mi ká ṣọ́ ẹ. Kí shock ẹ.
Oga, my Oga.
Follow your call.
Oga, my Oga.
Sapagote.
Oga.
What's the problem? How are you?
Oga, I'm very, very fine. There is no problem now. Only happiness. So, money that she transfer for me, you don't fasten my salary. Or why send me a message?
It's for you. I promise to increase your salary.
Oga. My Oga, God will bless you.
Amen.
Oga, God will bless you.
Amen.
Oga, God will bless everything that you touch. If you go, God will bless you.
Amen.
If you come, God will bless you.
Amen.
Oga, anything where I want, God will give you.
Amen.
Oga, God let you money.
Okay.
Oga, let me pray for you. Oga, there's nothing that is enough here. Oga, all that you are preaching that you are always looking at them inside the estate every time you are fasting.
Amen.
Oga, that her name is what's your name again? Allah, Oga has spent plenty money on this girl, 15 million naira. I want 15 from us. That way, daily up till now, she no give you for Oga. But today, I pray for my Oga that this girl will give you for you.
Sapagote. Amen. Daddy, what? Who is Cordelia? Cordelia, you're buying her for 15 for her, and you're giving her money, and you're telling me that you don't have money to give me.
Stop shouting. Relax now. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Can you see what you want to spoil my marriage? Is that what will make you happy? What's wrong with you? This your small talk. Put him out in what does not concern you. Now you have come to tell my wife about Cordelia.
God, don't base. Mommy, don't base that I talk about Cordelia. Okay, Mommy, let me tell you about Francisca.
Wala